Recent years, we have seen that under 23 team of Nepal beat quite comfortably in Maldives in Bangubandhu Cup and Asian Games, South Asian Games as well. When it comes to senior level, Nepal normally couldn't get a result against Maldives. Do you believe that this time Nepal has a chance to turn it around against Maldives?
Okay, thank you. Yes, the young players are there really good, under 23, and we have now combination between young player and senior player, so we have good combination. And this year, I know, as our assistant coach said, we are the only team till now we haven't win this competition and we haven't reached final also. But this time, as I said before also, we are here, we'll fight each and every match because of it's like a rowing and rowing game, so it's a very difficult match. Every match should be win. There is no chance to lose. So if you reach final, so definitely we have to win each and every match. So each and every match going to be really, really tough. And as I said before, we have young player, we have experienced player, and we have good combo this year. So I hope we'll do something better. And as I said before, we're not afraid to play with anyone.
Against the home team. You are going to face the home team.
Sorry, come again?
You are going to face the home team in the first match.
Okay.
How much difficult to start the tournament against a home team?
Okay, good afternoon everyone. First of all, definitely they have home advantage, they have home fans, but it doesn't matter, we have nickname, Gorkhali, and we have that history, they make history. All the world, they know about Gorkhali. We'll fight, we're not afraid with anyone. It doesn't matter home and away. I know I will respect to all the fans of Maldives, but it doesn't matter. We are coming here as a guest team. We'll fight in pitch for a result.
One of the top strikers in the region. Do you think with the addition of this home advantage and Alias Park, Maldives has an upper hand?
I respect him. He's a good player in South Asian, and he's a legend of Maldives also. So I respect him, but I can't say anything about he's going to be like top scorer again in this competition or not. Let's see. We'll play